Hey, 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 hey! Welcome back to another episode of Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. And we're doing a special edition holiday recipe side dishes. And this one is an amazing one. We have it every Christmas here. You have to give credit to my sister Heather Courtney. She's the one who created this one. It's a fantastic recipe. It has to be made on Christmas Day. If it's not, I'm just not going to be happy. So let's get started. Okay, here's the recipe here. We've got some milk. You can also use heavy whipping cream if you like. Then we got some butter, vanilla extract. We have some cinnamon. We're gonna put some pecans on top. We have some regular sugar, brown sugar, some flour, 2 eggs, and then we have the Chesapeake Dirt. I know you're going, Chesapeake Dirt, a seafood seasoning, and sweet potatoes. I am telling you, on sweet potatoes, you can put this on sweet potato fries. Put this in this sweet potato recipe. It is absolutely fantastic. You're actually gonna love it. And we also had a sweet potato, so let's get started.
Wait, Dirt Man, aren't those yams?
Yams?
Yeah, yams.
They're sweet potatoes.
I thought they were called yams.
What's the difference between a yam and a sweet potato?
I don't know.
Well then why you interrupting me? You just looked it up.
The skin is completely different on it. It's, from what I can see, it's not even a potato. It's just its own thing called a yam.
But you don't know. I do know you can use a yam in here with a sweet potato. So whatever you decide, whatever you can find, just put it together. You can also use canned stuff, that also works. So what I've done is I take the sweet potato, I put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 1 hour, got up to about 202 degrees, and then I let it cool for a few minutes, and then I put it right in here. So now we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of butter, so that is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're gonna put 1 egg. We have a 1/4 cup of regular sugar. We have a 1/4 cup of the brown sugar. And then I am going to do 1 tablespoon of the Chesapeake Dirt. There we go. And then if anybody watched this from another video, what video was this that we did this on, Josh? That I messed this up on? Oh, the dirty deviled eggs. Hey, I got it going. Let's mix this up really well. All right. Now we're gonna put this in a casserole pan. Now we're gonna put this in a Now we're gonna put this on a casserole pan. Now we're gonna put it on a casserole pan. Did I get that right? Now we're gonna put it on a casserole. Now this is what we're putting on top. We're gonna put the rest of the butter, brown sugar, another brown sugar. We're gonna put the flour in here. I'm gonna actually put a little bit more Chesapeake Dirt in here. Why? Because I'm the Dirt Man. And we're gonna mix this all up really well. All right, so now we're gonna take the topping and I'm just gonna kind of put it all over the top. And then we're going to take the pecans, and we're just going to put that all right up on top. How's that look, Josh?
That looks great.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I just put the pecans on. It looks absolutely fantastic. I just preheated an oven at 350 degrees. We're going to put the top on. We're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes. When it's done, we'll come back. Okay, this recipe is out. Looking forward to trying this. I'm telling you right now, this is a little different and it is really amazing. You just can't imagine that Chesapeake Dirt is gonna be good on sweet potatoes. You just can't imagine. Oh wow. Taste the sweet potatoes, the sweetness of the brown sugar and the sugar, and then a Chesapeake Dirt mixing right in there really well. Oh my gosh, that is really good. It complements it so well. You're really gonna enjoy this. Try this holiday season, especially if you live in the Maryland, DC, Virginia area. And you guys all know about Old Bay. You're gonna love this with it. You're gonna absolutely go nuts. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other videos and all those kind of things. So remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.